So today we will study about floodplains, natural leaves and point bars. In inactive floodplains above banks basically contains two types of deposits, which are flood deposits and channel deposits. In plains, channel shifts laterally and change their courses, occasionally leaving cut-off courses which get filled up gradually. The flood deposit of spilled waters carry relatively finer materials like silt and clay. The flood plains in deltas are called delta plains. This is the definition of delta plains, which is like a flood deposit of spilled waters carry relatively finer material like silt and clay. The floodplain formed in delta are called delta plains. Then natural leaves are found along banks of large river. They are low, linear and parallel ridges of a coarse deposit along banks of river, quite often cut into individual mounds. This is an important definition at the point of geography topic. Now what is point bars? Point bars are also known as meanders bar, found out of a concave side of meander of a large rivers and are sediments deposit in a linear fashion by flowing waters along the bank. So you can see here floodplain point bars. This is called as a point bars. This is floodplain. Or and what is natural leaves? Natural leaves are side of a rivers, which is in small in area, and point bars in bigger in area. And don't forget to subscribe channel.